Money makes the world go around.
The year 2000. Bill Gates launches the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation with $49.8 billion in assets, with the stated goal of enhancing healthcare. The foundation begins a steady stream of funding for the World Health Organization, eventually becoming the single largest funding source.
Money, 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 money.
Contrary to public knowledge, less than a quarter of the WHO's funding comes from member nations. The bulk of it comes from private foundations. In 2002, the foundation begins buying stakes in drug makers and big pharmaceutical companies. In 2010, the foundation pledges $10 billion for vaccines, and Bill announces the decade of the vaccine. In 2016, the foundation offers a $20 million grant to Moderna to develop their mRNA platform. Moderna would go on to become a major COVID vaccine producer. In January of 2019, Bill Gates proudly proclaims that investing in vaccines creates a 20-to-1 return and is the best investment he ever made. In September of 2019, just 2 months before the novel coronavirus emerges, the foundation invested $550 million in BioNTech, who went on to develop the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID vaccine. In December of 2019, the coronavirus emerges out of a wet market in China, and in March of 2020, the WHO declares a COVID-19 pandemic. As the world goes into lockdown, drug makers develop and trial COVID vaccines, and their stocks go through the roof.
Money makes the world go around. Money, 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 money.
The pandemic has led to one of the greatest wealth transfers in history.
So this is urgent. It's going to have to go to 7 billion people. To 7 billion people.